This is our live chakra attunement. It is the 4th of October, 2025, and we're really getting close to the full moon. We'll have our full moon call tomorrow on October 5th, and it is the Libra Aries axis, so mainly big focus on relationships, relating to ourselves, the world, one another. Well, keeping that in mind as you take some slow, deep breaths in this morning, breathing in, releasing. So breathe in, pause at the top of the breath, and drop your shoulders. So relax your body before you release your breath, and then release your breath and notice what you notice. So breathing in, pausing at the top of the breath, noticing any areas of tension in the body, and when you breathe out, release the breath. You can do it with a sound to let go of any tension, using that sound to break up any tension in the neck, the shoulders, or any place in the body where you're holding tension. Focusing on the breath, breathing in, breathing out. We'll surround the body in a container of light below the feet, above the head, in front of the body, behind the body, to the right and the left of the body. So making that container real for you. The more time you spend on visualizing this and practicing it, the stronger this container is going to get. And you can program the container of light to keep out what distracts you, what no longer supports you, thoughts, fears, worries, and to strengthen your practices, to keep within that container, strengthening the practices that keep you balanced. And so the practice that we do is a practice of prayer. And I was just reading an article on neurological scientific gatherings or findings, and they were saying how prayer actually does change the brain. So yet another reason for the power of prayer and to utilize it. So we like to start, after we visualize the container, we like to start with a prayer to Kuan Yin. And sometimes we do it from the level of Dearest Lady Kuan Yin, I, and sometimes we do it from the level of Dearest Lady Kuan Yin, we. And so in honor of this Libra Sun, Aries moon, full moon, let's go ahead and do it together as a we this morning, bringing our energies together and aligning with the desire to bring peace and harmony to the world. Dearest Lady Kuan Yin, we call on you to help us love and accept ourselves fully. We ask that you grant us a full measure of compassion for ourselves and for others. And we pray that those suffering in the world can see and feel your loving presence. We pray that hardened hearts will melt in the presence of your compassionate understanding. And we pray that the waters of grace and compassion you pour over the earth will nourish the seeds of love in all hearts, creating gardens of beauty within all living beings. It is our intention to nourish the garden within ourselves through prayer, meditation, right thinking. In our hearts, our gardens flourish, spilling over and filling our world with the fragrance of the garden. With gratitude, we thank you, dear Lady Kuan Yin, for your presence in our lives, our hearts, and our world. And breathing in, straightening up your spine, feeling the vibrational strength of your container of light, and beginning to feel your chakras, connecting to them as they move as you move your presence and your awareness of them from the base at the tailbone area, the pelvic area, to the belly, the navel area, to the solar plexus, personal power, sense of self-worth, to the heart, the love and acceptance of all, and the bridge chakra between the 3 lower that deal with your daily life and the 3 upper. And the throat, communication. Third eye, awareness of moving into non-duality and bigger vision, better, brighter future. And the crown chakra, the connection to the universe, to each other, to the galaxy, to the galactic brother sisterhood, to the heavens force, the angels, the guides, the guardians. So breathing in and out, dropping your attention now to the root. You can sort of just gently march your feet, curl your toes, and really maybe make a statement. I am fully grounded to and supported by the new healed whole Mother Earth. I'm safe here, grounded in this moment. Breathing in, I'm aware and awake, grounded in this moment. Breathing in, breathing out. It's a low-toned Om. Will you visualize red, first of all, coming into your container of light, then your auric field, and then bring it down and concentrate it to the root chakra with the low-toned Om, very low-toning Om, and the one-syllable Sanskrit mantra of Lam. Ready? Strong, grounded in your truth, grounded to the new healed whole Mother Earth. Let's do the red root chakra one more time. Breathing in and out, nice straight spine. Come up to the navel area, the belly. Wraps around from hip to hip, kidney to kidney, orange energy. So visualizing orange coming into the container and into the auric field and concentrating it down at this navel area. It is a medium tone Om. Mentally repeating, I'm inspired and I'm abundant and I deserve the joys of the earth. So just letting yourself feel all these lovely things that we do connect to and we sometimes forget about. Breathing in and out, orange energy. It's a medium toned Om and the one syllable Sanskrit mantra is Vam. Vam. Nice deep breath in. Keep that spine straight. Come into the solar plexus area with the yellow energy, visualizing yellow, drawing it in. One syllable Sanskrit mantra for this chakra is Ra, and it's used for exercise to kind of wake it up and get it going while we're visualizing that yellow coming through. It's a higher toned Om. Om. Ra. And breathing in and breathing out. We come up to the heart, which is the bridge. So those first three chakras are the ones that deal with your everyday stuff, your connection to your body, to your friends, your relatives, your coworkers, people you deal with every day. And I connect you with inspiration, if you can take the time to still find that inside, and connect to your personal power, your sense of self-worth. So all those first three deal with the personal interactions on the earth. We come up to the heart, the universal connector, the bridge, green energy, healing energy, the divine presence of the divine feminine, the Empress on the throne. So visualizing the green and the deep sighs are your exercise. Green energy. Spread it through your system, your cells, your veins, your nervous system. Yum. That's your one syllable Sanskrit mantra. Yum. 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 And the deep sighs, they tell your body it's time to relax, to let go, to surrender in the moment, to remember that you are loved by spirit. Yum. And to remind yourself to love and accept yourself exactly as you are, and to love and accept others. Yum. Cultivating the garden in my heart, cultivating the garden in your hearts. Yum. May all beings be happy and free from suffering. May you be happy and free from suffering. May I be happy and free from suffering. And we'll just keep in our prayers today and send some good vibes to our brother Tad, who's in a healing process right now. May he be happy and free from pain and suffering. May you be happy and free from pain and suffering. May all beings be happy and free from pain and suffering. Breathing in and out. And in this moment, you can add to our prayers anybody else in your life that could use a little boost, a little prayer, a little healing. Remembering Saint Germain has told us how powerful our prayers are and our blessings are. So to do them consciously as much as possible. Bless you all. Breathing in, breathing out. So the bridge takes us up to the bottom of the next three chakras, which are blue at the throat, indigo at the third eye, and violet at the crown. And these are the ones that start to help us remember that we are all one, that we are connected to all life force, all beings in the world and the planet and the galaxy, and where we can move out of duality ultimately. So the first chakra, the blue of the sky, the throat chakra, is our mantra that we speak with it, and we also use that in our exercise by doing the lion breath. So you're visualizing the vastness of the blue sky, that Mary's mantle blue, that Larimar blue, the turquoise blue sky. So just breathe it in and imagine every cell being affected by this vast, broad, ever blue sky. Breathing it in, and we use the lion breath. So the tongue comes out to your chin, you flare up your paws, open the fingers wide, and you roar, hum like a lion. Hum, hum. So to open up that throat so that we can all communicate from the heart, hum, from a grounded place in love with an open heart. Hum, hum, hum. The one syllable Sanskrit mantra is hum as well, and we'll chant that, visualizing that broad blue. Hum, hum, hum. Coming up to the middle of the three top chakras, and this middle chakra is indigo. It's the third eye. Here we pause and we open the palms. In our practice, we like to remember to be grateful. And so here we visualize gratitude to our teachers, to each other, to the Mother Earth. Gratitude for all the wonderful opportunities we have to be together right now, to breathe in and breathe out together, to join on this call, to know that you had running water this morning and lights, and you got up from a nice bed. So many things to be grateful for. Grateful for our teachers, guides, guardians. So express your gratitude. Expressing it out loud makes it even more real for you. Grateful for my friends and all of you and each other and my siblings and all the animals in the world. So many things to be grateful for. Breathing in and breathing out. So the exercise is the high-pitched ee, where you visualize that energy just kind of going through and piercing through the fog and your visual opening up to new visions. And the one-syllable Sanskrit mantra is Sham. So indigo energy, third eye. Ready? Sham. Sham. And the exercise one more time, feeling that indigo and that gratitude just piercing through the fogs and the mindful, patterns that we have that are maybe not so conscious. So our mindfulness helps us weed them out. Ready? Sham, sham. And from the middle of the top three chakras, we'll move to the crown. This is the purple, violet, amethyst. It goes to white light and even gold with some of you as it streams up and connects to the higher power, connects to heaven's force, connects to your galactic brother and sisterhood. So here we are connecting to all life force and remembering that we are all one. I'm breathing in that unity consciousness. The exercise, where you visualize the energy moving up from purple to white light, is wah, 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 wah. And it goes from a low to a higher tone, keeping those palms open. As your tone dies out, allow yourself a few moments to set your intentions and to receive back the light, the healing light from the universe. Ready? Wah, 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 wah. And again. And on this Saturday morning, October 4th, 2025, fully present in this moment, setting your intentions, feeling the light that you've garnered. The one-syllable Sanskrit mantra for the crown chakra is Om. And so together we'll tone one beautiful Om to end the call and seal our practice today. Ready? Om.